Hello, hello. Good morning. Can you guys hear me? 1, 2, 3, testing. Hello. Anyone? All right. Okay. All right, guys. So I guess you guys already got it. The trading plan that we put on our Discord, right? And the trading plan was expecting us to open around 605, right? But price is coming up. We think we're gonna open a little bit above that. We are already on 607. Okay, so not so far away, but it's still there, but a little bit above what we thought. Okay, now what we have here, even though VIX is reaching this line, we can understand that since 6 in the morning, VIX is coming down, 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 right? And yields was going down as well. I hit this piece right here. Now we had this news at 8:30, and this news moved the market a little bit. It was good for the market, so that's why we saw the market going up, right? And now let's see if this movement is gonna keep going. I think for the market for the trading plan today, we understand that the day is kind of bullish, right? Have a bullish bias, but remember that the whole trading plan works a few hours, like just the first 2 hours of the day. After that, the market, especially if we get a target, the market then can do whatever it wants. All right. Okay. So now we're gonna open around 605. Is this bar right here, right? 605. Now, what we need, what we want to see is the price reaching 620 and then 625, those two big bars right here, right? So the trading plan is if we break 610, because it's the consolidation area right here, if we break 610 with good DDF here, like we have to see the DDF on calls, especially on SPX, triple Q also, but NVIDIA also, but especially SPX. We have to see breaking 610 with good DDF here on calls, right? SPX, sorry, VIX trying to break this level, pointing down, okay? Yields consolidating here, then we're gonna have an opportunity to take the trade towards the 20. Okay, guys. Now, if we take the trade when we break the 10 and towards the 20, it's 10 points to reach the 20 and 10 points to the stop, because we only gonna stop if we break back the 600. All right, guys. All right. Because 600 should be a support. So if we take this trade, it goes back to 600, might be bouncing on 600 and giving us opportunity to exit or to take some profit. Okay. Now, if we break 600, then it's a bad sign. Now, 600, this level here, it's a strong level, right? We don't have that much interest here today, but it is a strong level. So if we break 600, we might be going to the 90 and then to this area here, 60, 65, 50. So we might be going to this area here. And if we break 600, 600 should become resistance. So for now, 600 is kind of a support, right? 600 is a support right now. And if we break 600, it's going to become a resistance, right? So if we break the 610, we're going to try to go to 620. And even if you are trading with two contracts, you can exit one contract on 20 and let the other contract goes up to the 25. And if you reach 25, bring the stop to the 20, you have the chance to go all the way to the 50 here if we get a good movement. All right, guys, okay? But again, we only gonna trade towards 620 if we break 610 and we have blue DDF calls. The price has to be on the blue area on DDF here. VIX must be going down and yields must be consolidating or going down. We only gonna take this trade if VIX is going down, yields consolidating or going down, blue DDF here, and then we're gonna check the trade. All right. Now, if we touch when we touch the 620 and we see it's not breaking, and then it's coming back and lose the 610, we might be taking the trade to 600 if we have red DDF and also VIX going up. Okay, it's a fail breakdown on 20. We're gonna try to go to the 20 with the price, check your profits, and then see what happens. If we have a bounce here, we can understand that if we have a bounce, it's not going to break back the 10. It's going to bounce on 10 and goes back up. Now, if we have a bounce and breaks the 10, now we might be having a reversion, and then we see the DDF and the VIX might be a good trade to the 600 again. All right, guys. So this is the trading plan. For bullish, let's wait to break 610, go to the 20, and then let's see if we have good strength here. We might be going to the 50. If we have good strength on DDF and VIX, we might be going to the 50. If we have a fail breakdown on the 20, go and breaks the 10, we might be trading towards the 600 if we have puts winning here, all right? If we break 600, it is a good trade to the 90. And remember, 600 for now is a support, and if it's broken, it's going to become a resistance. All right, guys? Okay? Again, today, if you are going to follow the Vida Loca, remember that Vida Loca has too many signals during the day. That's going to be 30, 25, 40 signals. I don't know. Every time that we have the setup there, you're going to have a signal. When you have a signal on Vida Loca, right, make sure you want to check the signal. And if you want to trade the bot, if you are trading the bot and you have the Vida Loca signal, protect your trades. Doesn't make sense for you to make 6, 7, 8, 9 points and then goes back to stop loss. All right, Vida Loca is a very good setup for momentum. Most of the time, it's going to give you 5 points. Sometimes it's going to give you 10. Sometimes it's going to give you 15. A few times it's going to give you more than 20, right? But a lot of times it's going to go all the way to the 20, goes back, all the way to the 10, 12, and goes back. So protect your trades if you're trading Vida Loca. Okay, guys? All right? I guess that's it. And if you don't have the bot, you are trading manually, even better. When you have a trade on Vida Loca, make sure that the VIX is pointing on the different direction and you are on the good area for DDF. Okay, guys, cool. All right, so you can filter the Vida Loca trades. You don't have to take every single trade here. Again, it's going to be 30, 40 trades a day, right? You can try to get the trades that make sense to you. So for example, if you have a buy signal right there on the top of the day, might not be a good idea. You see, so this is the overnight high. If you have a buy signal right there close to the overnight high, then it's going to bounce. It's not a good idea. If you have a trade right there close to the VWAP, like it's going to bounce. It's not a good idea. If you have a trade close to the POC, it's going to bounce. Not a good idea. If you have a trade close to the overnight low, it's going to bounce. Not a good idea. Right? So you can check the risks because the setup is the setup. But again, if you are going to check the risks to check all the trades, be fast to protect your trades. All right, guys? Okay? All right. So I guess that's it. And I see you guys later on Discord. I'm going to be there on Discord working with you guys. Okay? Take care, everybody. Have a good day, everybody. And anything new or any questions, I will be on Discord answering to you guys. Bye-bye. Take care.